It's Friday, January 23rd, 2026, and welcome back to another electric tornado weather forecast for the United States. So you guys probably know by now, but I've been making a lot of videos on this major winter storm that's going to be impacting the United States. And you can see we still have pretty high confidence that this is going to be a major winter storm. So it's going to develop today down here and then make its northerly track up into the northeast as we get into the 26th of January, and is expected to cause some impacts in the areas that are affected. And we also have ice storm warnings for parts of northern Mississippi, parts of Atlanta, and North Carolina. And we also have an Arctic blast that just came down from Canada, causing extremely cold temperatures for a lot of people. So let's jump straight into it. So, like I said, we got extreme cold warnings up here for North Dakota, South Dakota, all the way down there into northern Indiana. We are expecting extremely cold temperatures out here, so make sure to wear jackets and gloves to avoid hypothermia and frostbite. We have winter storm warnings expanding from New Mexico all the way up there towards Pennsylvania, which are those pink boxes. We also have ice storm warnings, which are these purple boxes over here in parts of northern Mississippi, parts of Tennessee, and over there in parts of South Carolina, North Carolina, and parts of Georgia. You see these dark blue boxes right here? These are winter storm watches, which include Atlanta, Houston, and parts of Louisiana. Also includes northern Indiana, like areas like Fort Wayne and parts of the northeast. You guys are under a winter storm watch if you're in those darker blue boxes. We also have some winter weather advisories out here. And over here in parts of Tennessee, we also are expecting some high winds. Okay, so let's check out the winter storm outlooks up next. So the winter storm will develop today down here in parts of the southwest and over here in Oklahoma. So it's trying to develop right now. If you check out the future radar, you can see we got some snow up here, rain right here. This will continue to develop and become a little bit more, organized. But our winter storm outlook for tonight into tomorrow, we have an enhanced risk of moderate impacts for parts of Oklahoma into Kansas, where we are expecting moderate impacts of the snowstorm. So make sure to finalize your preparations today for this winter storm if you're out here. You don't have that much time. And then you got the minor impacts, slight risk going around it as well. And then you got the winter weather area going all the way up there into parts of Montana. As we go into Saturday on January 24th, we will have a moderate major impacts risk out for parts of Oklahoma down there into Arkansas, where we are expecting major impacts of this winter storm. And then you have the enhanced risk going from New Mexico all the way over there into Virginia. But then if we go into Sunday on January 25th, you can see that we have a moderate major impact risk going from southern Arkansas all the way up there towards the northeast. And then you got the enhanced moderate impacts and the slight moderate impacts. The winter storm will continue moving up into the northeast and cause snow in the northeast on January 26th. So let's check out the future radar to give you guys a better look at this. So this is what it looks like down here in New Mexico and this area right now. This is the area where the winter storms will develop later today. So this is just what it looks like right now. But if we fast forward it into later today, this is what it looks like around 6 p.m. EST, you see that we'll have some freezing rain, some snow, and some rain down here start to develop. Then if we fast forward the future radar and we get into tomorrow morning, the snowstorm continues to cause some impacts in this area. If we fast forward it into tomorrow afternoon on Saturday, so it looks like on Saturday in the afternoon, you can see that we have some snow over here and some ice trying to accumulate over here. This snowstorm will continue moving northeast up into parts of Indiana and Ohio, where we are expecting some snow over here and then some ice right here and some rain. And then if we fast forward even more, this is what it looks like on 25th. It's about to be the 26th, but this is what it looks like on the night of the 25th. The storm enters the northeast. So the storm will be fully out of the United States by the 26th. So it will mainly be impacting Indiana and Ohio on Saturday night into Sunday. And it will mainly be impacting Arkansas and Tennessee on the 24th and 25th. Let's check out the total snowfall. Let's start down here near Roswell, New Mexico, where we are expecting 8 to 11 inches of snow. Northern Texas, you guys can see 5 to 8 inches of snow, maybe even up to 9 inches possibly. Oklahoma City could be seeing up to 11 inches of snow possibly. Same with Tulsa and Bentonville. Little Rock, you guys will probably be seeing at least 6 inches of snow. Louisville, you guys can be seeing 5 to 15 inches of snow possibly. This is a little hot spot area. Louisville to Maysville and Cincinnati, you guys will be seeing quite a lot of snow out of this storm. Columbus, you guys could be seeing 5 to 10 inches of snow, the Columbus area in central Ohio. Fort Wayne could be seeing 3 to 6 inches of snow possibly. Pittsburgh could be seeing 5 to 9 inches of snow. New York City could be seeing 6 to 10 inches of snow. And Boston could be getting at least 13 inches of snow possibly. So the places that will be getting pretty much the most snow would be from Oklahoma City all the way up there to Columbus. You guys will be getting quite a lot of snow. So that's what our snow totals are. So here's a look at who could be getting most of the ice. So you can see most of the ice accumulation will be extreme, especially if you live in northern Mississippi. You guys will be getting extreme ice accumulation possibly. Same thing if you're over here in parts of North Carolina. So the more ice will be mainly if you're in these red and purple colors. You guys will be seeing a lot of ice. But we could see some ice in some of the areas surrounding it as well. And there's a chance that we could even get to 1 inch of ice if you're in the extreme areas, which is something that you would remember for a while, because ice can actually cause broken tree limbs, power outages, and more. And it can also cause slick roads, so traveling is not recommended during this winter storm, and it's going to be impacting areas of people who barely even get that much snow that often. Dallas and parts of Texas, you guys are under a winter storm warning as well. So Dallas, you guys could be seeing ice and snow. That's probably about it for today's weather forecast. I will be uploading another video today to give you guys another update video on this winter storm. And I'll probably be uploading 2 videos a day now. So thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado, and I'll see you guys in the next weather update video. Bye.